Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to plot addresses from Excel directly onto Google Maps. Let's get started. First, you need to prepare your data inside Excel. Open a new sheet and create separate columns, one for street address, one for city, one for state, and one for zip code. Make sure all the rows are filled correctly without typos or missing fields. Now, on the screen, you can see that I have already done that, and my dataset includes 10 of my customers' addresses from various cities. Now, once you have prepared your dataset in Excel, go to File, then go to Save As, and save the file as a CSV, delimited format from here. This step is important because Google Maps only works with CSV file. Now, head over to Google My Maps, go to your browser, and just search for Google My Maps on Google and log in with your Gmail account. I was already logged in, that's why it brings me directly to this page. Now, click Create a new map. You will see a blank map with a default layer called Untitled Layer. That's where we will import our Excel data. Next, let's bring in our addresses. On your new map, click Import on the titled layer box. Upload your CSV file from your computer. Then select the columns that contain your locations data from here, usually street, city, state, and zip. Now click Continue and then choose a column like customer name or city to use as labels for your pins. Finally, click on Finish. In just a few seconds, Google My Maps will plot all your addresses as pins on the map. Now, the fun part is you can customize your map. Double click the layer name and rename it. For example, customer locations, and save it. Click on any pin to change its color or edit the details. Click here and you can edit the details from here. You can also use the style button to apply different colors based on categories like cities or customer groups. Now, if you want to show the labels, click the paint roller icon from here, select Set Labels, and choose which column you want to display, like customer name or zip code. I'm choosing the zip code, and you see it's showing the zip code here. And if you have different types of data, you can create multiple layers from here to keep everything organized. So that's it. You have just learned how to plot addresses from Excel directly onto Google Maps using Google My Maps. It's a simple but powerful way to turn your spreadsheets into an interactive visual map. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use Google My Maps for your projects. Thanks for watching and visit excelinsider.com for more such tutorials. Thank you.